Sister Celine Joe Ede in Kianikama, and I think from Northeast.
A very good morning to all of you. It's my joy and privilege this Sunday morning to be with you to participate in the Holy Eucharist. And I thank Catechist for the beautiful explanation that he has given about the parish church here. Thank you for your welcome expressed in words and in gestures. I feel very happy to know this Catholic community here. You are very fervent. That is what I was able to understand from the 3 days that I am here in Boca. And the descriptions about the different groups and the activities that is just explained make me understand how each group that is existing here in the church is active and committed. It's not easy for a church to keep going united. A church to be going united and fervent, you need very good organization. From what I have heard, I understand that there is a very good spirit that is existing here. So, I really congratulate each one of you who head different organizations and each of you who are collaborating with the different groups. So, we know very well our faith is something alive. Our faith, especially on Sundays, we live it concretely celebrating the Paschal mystery, the Easter. Every Sunday is a mini Easter where we participate in the Holy Eucharist and where we profess the passion, death and resurrection of Jesus. And as a community we meet each other on Sundays. We share our sorrows, our happiness, our achievements, so that the community where we belong to, we encourage each other to live our faith.